Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is the Going Gear EDC Club, and I'm not sure which one they're sending me. They have the less expensive box and the more expensive box, which I experienced for the first time most recently. But we're going to find out what this is. I will link Going Gear. I'll link the EDC Club. You guys can check it out if you want to. The link is down there for your convenience and because it supports my channel. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. As a lot of you know who watch regularly, these have been pretty good. It's been like 6 in a row that have been pretty good. People keep asking me, so do they just send good stuff to the influencers? No, that's not how this works. Not every box is not random. It's, you know, like whatever's in this box for this month, whatever tier this is the same box that everybody who subscribes to this is getting, right? So it's not like me and the other channels who, you know, show this to you guys. It's not like they're sending us special stuff. And it's pretty hard. It's pretty easy to. Oh, we got a Spyderco. I think it's pretty easy to figure that out because other people who are subscribed to this, if they post it on social media, they'll end up with the same stuff. I think this is probably one of the nicer boxes. Okay, here's the thing. So we got 2 knives. We got 2 things. A sticker. Okay, let's look here and make sure. Let's see. What? I do not understand. The Going Gear EDC Club. Okay, and then we have the Pro Knots. So did I get something extra? I don't understand. Okay, so the first thing here, it says Kaiser Knives Bag Litter 2, Going Gear exclusive. That's for $84.95. Let's open this up. Okay. I'm very familiar with the bag litter. That's something that I took a look at on this channel a long time ago. This is the bag litter 2. Okay, right off the bat, yeah, it feels pretty good. What do we have for steel here? 154 cm, can't argue with that. Great blade. I don't know a lot about the differences between the bag litter 1 and bag litter 2. Right off the bat, it's just familiar as the bag litter. Still feels like it's running on bearings. Nice knife. I mean, yeah, here's the thing that I like about this. They don't try to fudge the pricing. I mean, as a reviewer, somebody who's got literally 2,400 uploads on this channel and has handled an enormous number of knives between, you know, $20 and about $5,000, I can tell you, you know, this price is where this should be, right? It's not like they're making this seem like it's more than it is just to give the impression of value of the box. No, that's, you know, look down in the comments. You'll find that, you know, you'll hear that echoed. That's where the bag glitter should be. And in any case, a knife sporting, I mean, any knife sporting good fit and finish, micarta, steel, and 154 cm at about $84.95 is, yeah, that's where the, you know, as far as, like, if you're going to judge it on materials and fit and finish, it's also in the right spot too. So, pretty cool. That's a Going Gear exclusive, this particular one, so that's kind of neat. And then the other thing we have here, it says Pro Knot 23 Outdoor Knots Kit, a portable, waterproof, lightweight knot book that illustrates the 23 best all-purpose rope knots with step-by-step instructions. Great for survival kits, boating, camping, and many other countless uses. Includes 1 4-foot paracord rope to practice with. So that's actually pretty cool, and I can see, I don't know anything about tying knots, and I can't, you know, it's funny. Every time somebody asks me this, I think, why would I need to know this? So, like, I'll have somebody go, do you know how to tie, like, this knot? And it's always, like, on a job site or when I'm doing it, and I'm like, no, because why would I need... And I've found that I've been asked that question so many times. Do you know how to tie this knot? Do you know how to tie? I don't know how to tie any knots. Apparently, I need to learn because I've been asked the question more times than I ever thought I would in my life. So there you go. It's a pretty cool, looks like a knot kit. And then it came with this. So that's what this is, the 4-foot paracord thing. Now, here's what's curious about this box. It came with a Spyderco. Why did they include the oh, wait, unless, am I to assume that okay, so here's what I think, right? I know that the less expensive box has a value of roughly, I'm sorry, it costs roughly $60 a month, right? And then there's a more expensive box that costs quite a bit more. But the idea is you don't get to pick what's in the box, right? But the value of the items combined will be like, it doesn't matter if, and I'm saying you can look at this stuff and go, I wouldn't buy that. That's fine. But factually, what they cost individually will be more than what the box costs, right? So that's how they do it. That way, even if you're not particularly interested in the things that come in the box, which here lately they've all been good, the cost of them individual will be higher than what you pay for the actual box, right? I hope that makes sense. The more expensive box likely would include all of this stuff plus this knife, which is a Spy Opera, Lion Steel Spy Opera in the polished micarta. This is, I've already reviewed this knife. It is a nice knife. I'm glad that it locks. And then we have, did I say it, M390 on the lock back? But yeah, so that's what the more expensive box would include, right? So those of you, anybody who had, gone ahead and subscribed to this box the previous month, this, if you subscribe to the premium box, you'd get all of this stuff. If you had subscribed to the less expensive box, you'd get this stuff in that. Does that make sense? So yeah, I'd say this was a pretty, whether you got the less expensive one or the more expensive one, this is pretty nice. I don't have a problem with this at all. I'm glad that they are putting, my complaint, this was like 6 or 7 boxes ago, I think 7 or 8 boxes ago, I had a complaint with one where the knife that was in the box was very cheap, and it was not like it was like kind of a brand, and then everything else was just disappointing. And here lately, they've included things that are, more or less things that I personally would pick up, but useful things nonetheless. The knives have all been great. I've been very happy with the knives lately. But the stuff, the extra stuff in the box has all been like, I won't use it, but I can see why somebody else would, right? And there's a huge difference between that and stuff that I'm like, who would need this, right? Which was the case with, it was a while back. So what I'm saying is these boxes have improved dramatically since the one that I was not super happy with, and they've been very consistent. So I'm actually enjoying these. This is cool. So a lot of you guys know the stuff that comes in the Going Gear EDC Club. I show it to you guys, let you guys take a look, and then I usually give it away. So if you're not subscribed to my channel and you need a reason to, subscribe, because I give stuff away on live streams, and it's usually stuff that I get for free because I've got enough knives. I already have my own knife addiction. Right? So this extra stuff usually gets given away. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. This is another great box from Going Gear. I'm really happy with these. You can check them out right down in the description. Thanks again to Going Gear for sending this in, letting me share with everybody. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.